Welcome to Nanobugged Studios, where, dang, hold on, you can't see, can you see, hold on, where I'm supposed to do some transmission work. I don't know why I'm starting that, but anyway, I gotta do it, and I gotta put a pilot bearing in, and means I gotta snatch the transmission back out, alright? The only reason I didn't do it before, because I didn't have the money, but now I have to have it, and I've come up with money. Anyway, so here's the deal. I don't know, y'all can't see that. Can you see? I built me a ramp here. What did I flip? I can't flip this ramp. I built a ramp, and let's see. We pull up it like pulling up it like that right there. I made it out of some beams I got from Chicken Plant, and some 4x4s, the ramp to get up on the ramp part. It's about it'll put me a knee higher than I would be just sitting on the ground. A knee higher. All right, and I hope I'm not screwing myself, because it might be at the point where I can't. Let's sit down. I gotta sit down and see. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Now, if I put my here, this right here, this right here. Okay. So that should allow me to sit up like this, and be able to unbolt transmission shit, right? I'll be down here. Yeah, because it's already a high truck. It sits high, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Is and I got some blocks in there about halfway down. I got some at the end, because make sure it stays. Okay, I ain't got it nailed down or nothing, so I hope these things don't move when I pull up on them. I know how to find out though. Pull up on them. Huh. All right. So that's the dealio with that. Got people down there. Hold on, I might have to run. Okay, we cool. All right. So here we go. Welcome to Nanobugged Studios. Thanks for joining me. I'll show you what's happening.